Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur background in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to blur the background, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open the Snapseed app. Now click on the plus icon to add the photo that you want to edit. For now, I'll choose this photo. Now to blur the background of the photo, simply click on Tools at the bottom menu. Now click here on Lens Blur. Select the part that you don't want to blur from this circle. Now you can simply slide this to right to increase the strength of the blur and adjust the blur according to your need. And once you're happy, click here to save changes. And just like that, we have applied blur to our background in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.